Hey friends, welcome back to my channel once again. Adrienne Bailon-Houghton is basking in the joys of motherhood. The recording artist recently sat down with Essence magazine to celebrate her life as a parent. I feel like this is something I wanted for a long time, Adrienne shared with the press. 6 years trying and everyone told me it is going to be so much better than you imagine. The celebrity mom shared I felt like because the desire was so great. I knew what this was going to be like I knew I would love him to an obscene amount. Now I just look at him and I'm like, you are a miracle. And I'm just so grateful every day that I get to love on someone and I get to see the world through his eyes. Him looking at me is the greatest feeling in the world. Adrienne Bailon and her husband, Israel Houghton, welcomed their son Ever James Houghton last year. The little one arrived after the couple tried for 6 years to expand their family. 6 years was a struggle, but that just makes becoming a mom that much more special. Adrian told Essence, I don't think anyone takes parenthood for granted, but even in the moments where I'm so exhausted, I feel like the luckiest person to be exhausted from caring for my son. A celebrity mom shared. Also, I've stayed up later and been more tired from dumber things back in the day. If I went clubbing in my 20s, I can stay up all night to stare at this child. Some would have given up on their dreams to welcome a child after 6 years long. Adrian and Israel, however, remained determined to expand their child despite the odds stacked against them. What kept me going was this desire that was in my heart and my feeling like if this love and this desire is there, it must be for a reason. I really do believe that faith played a huge role, she added. I know a lot of people and some friends, in fact, that don't want to have kids. It's not desire for them. Adrienne revealed, I completely respect that, the celebrity mom exclaimed. For me, becoming a mom was the first thing I thought of when I woke up in the morning and the last thing I thought of when I went to bed. I had to trust that me sharing my journey was going to bring home to someone else. I think that I love my journey to motherhood more than anyone's because it's mine and it ultimately led me to my son. I just look at him and I'm reminded of the miracle that he is. He's something I have prayed for such a long time. That's all for now. Subscribe for more.